episode 4 GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had here latest and hot news. Nkwa Eramede Bremo. NT so you subscribe to channel idea. Bomodia say will be subscribe. The other na say will be click the subscribe button. You know. Now our barely a year notification. You know. We understand new video be upload. You know. When the first person once ebe can a year sa video. Afi we are now like a video. Give us a thumbs up now. Afi share my ofori so na when you be here now wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memwa afi ye hwe ye ensemo abeto yepno so yinti ye sansemi ya babeto dwa yinti sansemi
say even kwa sa e-gate nkwa no na say free
say can beje Bawumia do be prison
e-gate free
me say Ghana Bar Association for there $100,000
na
e me what you dey we over 200 million.
It makes sense. Say Mahama. It makes sense. Say Mahama they just $250 million. Terminal 3. Airport wa West Africa and also Africa there. It should be no $250 million. Now the e-gate just up to application say $240 million.
Prison
41 240
Bawumia and then Nigeria.
Bawumia
and sa a customs for no aviation for no mo statement by so yes ano migration for no hey mu assemble no mo be yin nsem ano ene ye hu the sector road sector no say the necessity honorable Kwabena Agyapong kada na meeting appointment na mani age nanama nyame wo hu honorable Kwabena Agyapong kando as a ranking member health oko kolebu na onuado ambulance ase odinani kwa akoyese e mane nko
ye nemo nko preventing
lift as a ranking member okwa akohwe na wabedi hu adanse okoya na kolebu fo mum e preventing no Sewa hospital akawram ya tutu hu ni amanyina oko no akwa akohwe ni a preventing no oko la general hospital ya bubuo ni ya preventing no oko the bank hospital ni a preventing no enne sa workers na na wo no mo preventing no enne obe sector minister na se wona bo Kwabena Agyapong akandos wa ma justice and cause was ankrofo no a omoye enemies of progress in this country no a
enemies of the state
yeah me do hu ya papa sa oni kro na prevent okolebu no ompe kolebu ye mayanyi no mayanyi no sankrofo na no mo mpesa accountability ebe koso amiyahu how Akufo Addo aban amesi up every facet of Ghanaian economy ni sector bia no make sure sankrofo nya be kla omunina enne mo preventing no de na mo kataso no enne oba Monsam preventing on near here. Like a year Yaira Kwaku. Can Atefa or Bonfo say criminologist?
The criminal
criminologist. Now what's your letter? Now I sign where Yaira Kwaku edi. Now no Dr. Kalisis letter nearby and they say hand over to Yaira Kwaku. Yaira Kwaku or no said them could have position Kesibia.
Na unim adia or Troy. Can I tell
ya kokoro nse dem kuta position kese bia ba essence na wa bent no Bawumia ko honsra hwe no ya Kwaku ene brief wo mo na mu yi nadi enne sa nipa no a kenate for wi nadi no our signature chart no wono na hand over the man no wa take position na say ya Kwaku
at least o say John Mahama ntimi terminating ne way
he knows every law in Ghana except the law to stop stealing.
Yeah, but after say when
ene o tira me kwa kwachi ano
okay beba
wa retire
yeah last year
that is the issue. It's not what was worried that the appointment.
On now, not why day.
On to
it's not a chief executive officer.
Yaira Efo Yaira Kwaku.
Be acting. Okay.
Efo Yaira Kwaku.
Okay.
Dream wa koso ho no no.
Okay.
Make sure say ni na baba botiam.
O he dey na fly
na. On eye mutaka ene onabo harina. Mamsha ze mutaka. Ene Mahama ta mutaka Mahama empe entro omo ya reshuffle ni edi atem enemu taka obeye minister and Professor Mills Youth and Sports and omo setting it up
munsem
sabre na yira ofoforo no omo said akoma and pampers omo so minister waje pampers no omo di gu nanimu ase ene President Mahama manaba beye minister interior
oya party sports commentators omo reach chin kan omo
President Mahama mutaka obem odibesha ne say Ghana internal security on be in charge
interior
say Mahama pe haruna
mutaka wadwuma obeya eni beja e dampa asa okra dem
na empo Mahama asset trap e dia ma haruna idrisu ti no de ne ko education minister say le be obe feli na enra anodom pre eni MP before kanam sia okay yesi senka owu ya obrofo nim se obewi abo atiri ankohwe hunwuye
okay
say MPP for him say Ghana education sector for the past 8 years so ma managing here why should they be scared of whoever takes over from them say obe feli Haruna Idris no more can me bisa o sector being all the ministries Akufo Addo and Akufo the 8 years omonche one sector omeka se we the MPP excel into bibia okwa handle honom no on the abin okwa omonche me baako is it about energy sector dum so is it about agri sector koko body deka aduane kura yentimi mfidi ho is it about Ministry of Finance na yentimi ntwa yeka is it about health sector na minuka ze national itagu adan yesie nyina ya sabia nyina atetiatom is it about water resources na yentimi kura treaty water is it about lands and natural resources na yensansi nyina aseye
okay.
Is it about aviation aviation or one kasa kwentimi ntwomoka
for one missing patch on am
enti Ministry of Health wonom no eno ase wutie Haruna Idrisu a wutimi say papa no honom no e friend say ya there aduchum wa bon
education Ministry of Education
Haruna Idrisu kra on hold that position da no wonim the state of Ghana education problems se wo honom lapses se wo nyina de wo se Ghana wonim ni nyina na omoka so Afenyo Markins so because say aduchum na ye minister nto mo de ahye na me so be bisa question bi mo ntire sensible question ba ko timi bisa no sensible question say free senior school we a question we a question enti afe na Ghana fo hu say kanene de se bi na emwa pa na ne asoso omso edi ministers a show monsa na nura se na o ma bia enka bia o ma ben ko bia o sector minister for 4 years why deputy minister for 4 years education na ye do bia o head that ministry ne ba enka be hu expertise but what we saw ni say they only exhibited their incompetence na the competence of Erikopoku and all other nominee no kire say ampa see a kind of political party be were men and women in this country NDC
SCP Agozo ne first name ne dey Benjamin Agozo appointed head of Human Resource at the National Security Council.
Fantastic.
Wow. ACP Benjamin Agozo.
Fantastic.
Appointed head of Human Resource at the National Security Council. Yeah.
Nanama. So you are Michelle.
Dampare and all that.
Now the rest of Dampare.
Human Resources. So now bet say when they say fato be
ba.
And I am down Paramontuas.
Appointment we no. I was here digna appointment we soon upon show. Now fe ye dia baso body a emu hwam. Emma eye ura
National Security Council.
No, na say studio had there.
Last 2
studio had there appointees ni na ba.
Last 2 weeks.
Studio had appointees ni na ba. Nti na na ma.
O ma shaman for my petition UPS is omunyinadi.
Omunyi ACP retired.
For election UPSA.
See Omunyinadi.
You don't know.
Yes.
Obi the chance say police
just because he went and recommended say if he made a statement say any crime say It was related to Dan Paris.
The American and the panel quarters and what Bob Pano modi petition I call you
and any parkour and transfer the baby Nipa transfer
but Nanama, it tells a story of how Nipa Sebio the rejected stone a boa adensifo atwatchene no be twa so buo titiro tise nana ya dwantoa me amenu aba nana ya dwantoa uze ne papa down for papa the late lawyer na obia onim nana ya bia nim how sebi woye adwuma under Rollins under Kufo under Professor Mills under John Mahama edu Akufo Addo so no more pen tansa just give the dog a bad name and hang it no the born a home painting kwa obre ya na say kroko CPP4 MC General Secretary na CPP4
omuko tu no kumase
ano si dabi me dem so me mai o yere ne ho ye ne mai adwuma enne enmonyam shekesi a Nyankopon nam John Mahama so dia ma no e chain de sebi omo train ase Ifri Akufo Addo asase bepem na wiye a chance nipa timi sheda bopa yengu nipa animu ase agbojo ACP agbojo nipa ono se bi open ma yi a online platform so ye advocacy se o man be ye no na ye de ato no so se o so be ye ku atwena se de na ko emu cells detention nyoma chese papa ya komu ene Nyankopon pepa na niwe mu nisuo
international assignment obedru ya
na was here
with his uniform
yes swano all these have happened why ye book kama bi nanama chapter 4 of the book no kan obesu how anipa kwati team enti me bo bibia abaso me bo bibia abaso se mutiri nkwa Nyankopon moamo no ndomo na sebi de ehia esefata o my Ghana atete apansam yi no because me bubo di na Dawson me be sure be a good luck onyire mo hona mo nya dwuma ensom mo man mo for doni Ghana fontina Ghana for ye hia hwimfiri obi aho tutunio mayie fanidie kasade akrokro sebi entram yen enye kai because a big grand pa sebi wa ene ya pa wo se be minister no se bi e kohwe wo achi na ye hwe Ghana fo a sebi ebinum kra wo gina pen bi a e chen wo de yi enti mo ba mo fa krokro mo mra mo ho ase titriu na mo hu se mo ya asomfo ya ka so soafo a wo na wo ye oman no esoafo che se wo ye akoa hu se wo ye akoa sebi o bro ho ase nyame ma oso tu bro ho ase ni pankasa se ne sefata ni diemu sebi obi ye obi mpo na sebi ubetimi de acha entwene tan nipa na wo som no den a nipa na betia na so mo mfa ye se de ye mo ma na ye ni sebi egumu ye gya na egumu na so a mo hohoro na emamu ntwa emamu nya sebi a moni ye ba betra do ahoma so te se de na Akufo Addo ne ye te ado ahoma so ani ministers ni muade nipa bia otimi se nipa fintan tan
kasa
tan hwe obi te se me mo obi adi na obi adi ba betimi a kire bi te se na bi na onu gina badwam didi Ghana fatem na hwe nipa bi ne yobia na onu didi Ghana fatem a misra mo gina mu ho se de John Mahama bu ne ho a se bi ene Nyankopon hye na ni monyam a Ghana fo nyina ata na chi no bi gidi se mo yesa bubenya dobia Ghana for bema mwatna abemu ache enye sebi tumi keke ne dia mamu keke o ye pese ye nya anida so bia eye soronko ewo mumuni ene motna che na museum fo ye hu omo afrase no bia mpese ye be hu omo biem ye mpe third force bia so ate third force e kwa ni tiri tikuni e cheda ona okoye third force no Yes, Ramu, you picture the beer.
Okay. Obi bisa ACP Benjamin Agozo ni position no ye secretary to National Security Council inti Monshanuso.
No,
human resource to National Security Council.
They invite home. They here and say I'm an appointment.
Obi enkofo obisa.
Nanama, but you want to cry.
Nanama,
with a penny.
Fan 2 records. Say your mama appointed 42 ministers. Regime bianya na die. At least per year.
Yache.
Akufo Addo no never. No, kajo my fan 2 record.
Oh yeah, record.
Akufo Addo no. Regents bi o ma nya cabinet ministers. Say bi wo ho, say bi ni ho. Before Akufo 8 years. Oti region nya cabinet minister. Yeah, nya regional minister. Uko Western.
First Akufo Addo term ni Oti region. Eso also Okaito.
2017 the creative regions no. In the first time we never.
I who says kind of Akufo Addo.
Yeah, point ni Oti region.
I don't know. Me say
Akufo Addo na be twitwa Oti region.
Na me go try no try.
Referendum.
2020 na Oti region.
The first time no na o creative region.
So you are regional
minister you were being creative.
Uko Upper West, Upper East, na regional minister. Ministers, no, but Anama, more positions. Oh, there's one thing I saw Muyama grassroots, no, any Ghana in Bosse, because we knew the entire damn paradise of IGP. I really don't know why John Mahama is keeping Dampare. It is not you. Allow me to say my thing. Allow me. This spokesperson will need some who tomaja.
Charles, in a minute. Wait a message. Oh, a buffo krumpa, so a pussy for the buafupa. But the only thing that I remember I heard and came and said it here, and he said they were waiting for the appointment of the interior minister. So let's wait.
You see, nobody is acting. Dampare call leave kakra. No kaya is extended leave. No tifi. Na obey day with one view. Reporter President Asha was if Abraham Powum Fama. Ya chance some committee. Or the report number. Committee. There's one report to man and say committee. No. The man is delaying. He is to 6 months and 1 year. Or the other.
But President Mahama, President Mahama, I'm an assignment.
Yes, report by mistake, be a Bofuna contra wrong one. One for report. I
don't forgot your wrong one.
Be a mistake by Hokakra.
Was it one for reports? 2020, new investigation for report.
But also, when you quiet to say, no report is on me.
Investigate or so continue what the investigation.
It is a John Mahama and didn't answer special to himself. What? No, so far, so
investigate.
From 2020 to 2024 now, IGP. Why 3 years, 6 months?
I know the whole recently.
The changes are your mama in the film. Your mama.
Report. What's the Pabra?
Miss Munchain, your interior minister Munchain.
Party back on Egus arrogancy. Ungratefulness, your mother is a new patriotic party.
Ma'am Samira, boy, apart from Mr. Jotibo, so dear.
Hey, me, a big man be. Means me Mundi. He has not given me his permission. Shabla Sisi. Sani Pana Mayor Kanasem. He was able to give the NPP $6 million when they were in opposition. Chabu. When a big man power, he be too. And I hear him Kowanos Aquabna. Oh, shut up for politics, you know. No, as they say about 27 economic teachers. Na mo se ni pa si aboa mo pa o mo koya papa na dan o mo so o magye area ho na asase o magye o mo koya Samira Bawumia mo. And I'm telling you, and I'm a big man ne ko Samira Bawumia mo so o mo so ma samasa fo asem ko na asase ne yafa. A man who is able to give you $6 million in opposition. That be as me come so kono kobi sa papa Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan. How la Bianca died.
So Samira Bawumia, she wasn't the first lady. But I don't know so powerful.
Mami Kasem so.
Meet you.
As my making, the NPP should come and tell me I'm lying. I can't 1 month to elections. Akufo Addo was having a problem with Bawumia.
What's it?
Oh, that's easy. Nano, one time more, and NPP for non catch him say. Asama me kafa Dr. China ho efa sa ne mpane sa no mano they are surprised how I got the information. Today I'll give you a lot of it. Don't worry. Lasisi me say I can't 1 month to elections. Na now the Danko Akufo had a problem with Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
So I dey
also didn't control ne yere. Otibo so asem ko pie mu ho. Who say MPP. Now woman be a coastal kakraka. The woman was giving MPP a lot of revenue and cash for campaign. MPP for winning abani we close allies to Akufo Addo who said no sir dey no ska wo no so ko bi no maguma me company as easy you say the kind of information I have
that me JFK mo sa na no mu ana
o say no mu ma men ka sem ba ko nchiro JFK was handicapped. JFK na na do mo mpena some da you know for a fact
then I don't know so much in say gu na chi one reason after this time ba I ship na sink
me to na first ya kabi bi almost oh Franco ya beta Franco ya PV me boa Shabula CC ya beta. Today the general secretary is also saying a different thing. So he is more better. MPP for a kind of credit anymore. Now we need power problem. Today I want to ask, is he also better? These are the kind of things I shall wear. NPP egoism, arrogance, munipa. MPP. Ya me na mo break 8. Come break 8 and come be kwasiafo nya.
Also the nyame na
yes, it is a divine intervention from God. Anonym. Lasisi
obi aboka omo bompa ye na de ade na fere
mbaye o se nyame na Mama prayed in 2016. Yankopon se mama to aso aye mwaye. Yankopon na hu se Ghana ne hia change. Nye change ni mo na ye hwe change na nkasa hia ye. Se da ne Kennedy kan ye no.
Ba he we pass na change ni hia yo.
Lasisi
we change na change ni ya no be se
Sanka NDP for to break 8. Nano come ta ko ka se me kire me. Eh ngade oni shabu de jisa kabu tu fi gane
break 8 na
kabi mi can you say peba bi kurafa Lasisi look at the conduct of Undri bring na chairman
send na ye jana no o he ba o si oku
on te some go na ba
what they
NDC legality they are writing to a your friend saying
Interpol na
that be almost Interpol match na yi regional commander say you call the guy for investigations based on monte mushe so he should come and make sure so check in say mudi achere mo and why has he keep me
no where there will be never guarantee bill
what dey anyama semwa
Addo come so omo ni akaye be dwane
Lasisi
and then say the oheneba dwane ma
me kasam sure
me say oheneba dwane ma
if you look at normal course wa dey dikai won't me media outlet didn't help the MPP
say
if you have Akufo go to media outlet, how they were attacking personalities, not issues. Where I almost saw the TV SYZ the end of say TV SYZ the end say Obi bother my own mother in the
I don't call opposition to no or strike it. See, what's 10 goals so different.
People might have issues with me. Maybe I'm catch naturally saying because Obi see Franco I can okay to me when Makumum Sana Nyabome. That is how I talk. Me, I won't insult you, but I'll tell you the reality.
Yeah.
Say it. If you look at media, we want to media outlet, and no more, more kind, shaman for club, including the regional chairman. Now, could now regional chairman because of politics? Won't you can use a bush or Professor Bawumia? Won't you descend so low into the gutters and say, oh, share my many you're bearing a TV or the Tewa, as a by 4 banana for Boapaso. Now, as no said there was all can bow, or no yagging. Because of politics, now you want to make me perform. I'm a because of John Mahama Pena. Just make you name Pena and I'm on it now. Hey, because of politics.
What say I Ghana land I had check Ghana.
Now where your MPP conference as you now man for Bomusem. So small can I tell no one Tiasi so much again from Crown Tiasi.
TV so Mahama Oh my beam.
People are doing intellectual and go and check the NDC now original organized chairman. If I say, it is better you get such a regional chairman to give you a lot of votes and numbers than a regional chairman can kwasa some kwana mo party muarity.
Because nana kwesi delivered Asante.
Remember it. Just one me catch.
Yeah.
It is say wakwa kofa obi. Ni pana ade na ba no on kasa, but the person is giving you results than someone who is very active. Kiki. No need more results. So look at the conduct of Funke.
Now media platform and kasa we or about conduct or can and you affected that will also take you.
Me say look at the comments and the utterances from them. Mama time.
Because Mahama attack a banner. They also say what's been a banner. What I also Jana Musuma attacking.
What I say?
Personality.
Mama was attacking issues, not personality. Mama, he was attacking issues. They do baby Bawumia was attacking issues, not personality. But people around Bawumia they didn't help him.
But all him say, a basse Yenji Agyapong. Also, won't mean a starty. O cow no chama boy.
That's enough. Some baby no good dream for deal.
Mobile there.
Or chama boys were brand new. Asemna court. I'm a court. A catcher and said Daniel chama boy just because you are in power. No matter.
Two say. Wachema buaje busha for tiasa o metwa.
La sis ni zebe be America won't. MPP for dan kasa di omo hombone. MPP omo kasa di omo hombone. Omo timi hwe mu nyanim pa. We ye minya ba medin bo why onimi camp. We say me say. Election ba kwa amoko. You have suppressed the will of the people. Delegates in say there be when you pay mo say there be chinchin na re ni dem beba. And it's affected you.
They say na me kan say Samira Bawumia. Agyapong man for dan yakubu no man ne o party no position ba si amfa so be no me
na make say empire mebon na say project no nya nya bi otumbo zu asase no nsi wi wo so
e no kusi wo so
I'm asking oye kuku bi asid abronsam akoma ko 10 mo sori anajo na wan e kwa akoya de papa ko na anajo oye no sum tiasa make catch on you
frankly. So how powerful was that lady? I didn't know. Me say, you know, like president.
America some show. I saw American. Anytime I bet to Aba, now be a president. The first thing, we're powerful.
Yeah.
The second time, I cast on few months for the person to exit the scene when you're powerful.
But so that's your president. Because I debut, frankly, I leave my mind. I miss that idea.
The TN say, Sani Pan. So, free scene, you will be at Mika Sabla CC Power, be see you at the Master TV. Akabe 1 month I work on one position. So we are all looking at who is coming on board and who is going to be the leader. Panel and
okay.
Now are you not surprised? Say MPP bet me forming campaign team. Now the national chairman Edia Mobi for the campaigners any panities. You some fast. Are you not surprised?
Yeah.
So these are the kind of stuff. A Tróuble baby. I say when I make catch me say akabim. I say be me name yen no krabia. Now the down Akufo Addo Tróuble and Akufo say go and reconcile with Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo. Go and look for Allen people and talk to them, bring them back to the party. Or to hell with your advice. Because that's easy. To hell with your advice.
Then I'll ask him what catch him say ever some months not Nanado and Bawumia Kasano. What's Nanado said? Nanado said you will not support Bawumia.
Let catch you. Masama making. What you say? Another and run at you. I was privy to a meeting. I was there. Asama making.
Yeah, also what the Okwaya Osho him that be said him for now.
Jimmy D. If national security to me from Quatra Lancaster, it be some questions. Ever me yan no place kwa. Shabu me so me kan kwadi acho.
Okay.
Asama making don't be surprised. Now the table is turning. Don't be surprised if you see a Bujinapo, Bawumia Campaign as a flag bearer, a Bujinapo as a running mate. That is Akufo Addo's ticket. Asama make they should come and tell me something.
Bawumia Campaign flag bearer, a Bujinapo running mate.
Me say they should come and tell me something lie.
That's a Bujinapo. They say Bawumia Africa.
That is it. A Bujinapo is a darling boy for Akufo Addo. Political son. So they know say Akufo Addo catch about me plays also opportunity.
But if another would do that, the one you brought Bawumia wasn't a politician from nowhere.
Maybe I'm just
team about
I'm just passing on information. Now I'm saying, now obi how no be ashase efe be awie ne nyefe. The last days of Akufo Addo one Bawumia ni good terms. Asma make am asma make am be no no kwe be so. They are not in good terms. So asma make am say I'm going to tell you some things, right? What do you say? First, you know, they wanted. I want to use an adjective. They wanted to make sure, Sanka, Afenyo Markins, Anka, it will be an all-account affair, whereby Bawumia Campaign will be the flag bearer, then Afenyo Markins will be the running mate. But most of the Afenyo Markins' loyalty is meant for Kennedy Agyapong. So you can't compromise it. And Asadia. Now, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, who can't let me as I make go and ask Kennedy Agyapong. Who him say? Now the damn Kwaku Addo. I catch a credit so himself Bawumia be do so.
How?
Some more information.
So himself Bawumia do so.
Can I tell you one thing?
Tell me.
The day I'm do partner ha me fire ne gidi no. Who say na wo ka se me cham se bia menti no ma bia se e be na wadu nkomo bia na minim. But let me tell you one thing. Today I will say it. No kwe eye ba akope. Na Akufo nim se Bawumia be do so aba no.
Nim se Bawumia be do so.
Ah, na akomi akan wante. Ana unim.
Na was the NDC they saw Mahama victory in February.
Are you trying to tell me say na akomi is on top of issues and na dan kwa?
So na on
Akufo Addo say every data bia na ase bia ba bonte bia unim.
Na say because you internal content but we could be na bia na for na ba. They want to pick information.
Thank you.
They want to know who when.
Thank you. Me kura me nyo bia no. If they are able to call million with data, say they see a projection of 60 to 65% win for Bawumia in Asante region. What can I say? We catch them. I'm a kind of because our contest Libya. I'll give you a standing ovation. Shabla Sisi, me must see you be say. Me a journalist, me a armchair journalist, and I get a lot of information. Now the down Kwaku Addo Kokeda compare with the pork opana chow. So my campaign was Asante region. How? What say? Say opana chow.
Can your party bandi or content will lose so. Where they say you go.
Me church.
Sister sell.
Me church.
So why they open a job?
No me netra papa. O me netra papa. I'm asking you. O me netra papa. O me netra papa. And they do by binasa kwa say I say you are guilty. Who get a guilty conscience. But sani point a bit me aboa mama ma come anim. Go and ask. Bawumia be how many days as a Kennedy Bakuluba?
Say, he was supposed to spend 3 days or something.
How many days?
But in fact, the last day no. And so the 15 region, the last region was Asante region. Yes. And about 2 days I can only the one.
Thank you. Go and ask. They needed reinforcement.
No one said for money.
Alasisi. No one who said for money. So the only person as well that can be a yes. Me say. Go and do your checks. Akufo Addo can do it. You can no bunko to Jokra Kennedy Agyapong to come and do campaign because they know the man has the numbers. And one case one year campaign was saying Kofobi Mahamadu Bawumia and Wasarando Mono. It will be extremely difficult for him to do campaign.
That's Uncle Fona and the Pame Aido. Than much free campaign.
And I'm making. But you see, Nipani Kojo Kyeremanteng. Lawyer Justin Kudia. I'm going to choose my words carefully. Very, very carefully. Because of relationship I have with him.
Yeah.
And the mechanism I'm extremely careful how I deal with it. But I say they are surprised how they lost the elections. And they will still be surprised. Because Upper Party Backward is an ungrateful party. They don't even fight outsiders, but they fight insiders. Omwankasa Hua is a new patriotic party.
No, as the
general secretary of the party, said Anka MPP to me breaking later, whether he was aware or not. Anka a lot of issues and a lot of applause will go for him. The Biameka ultimate responsibility lies at the doorstep of the leader. When John Mahama was a former president, John Mahama started from 2012 to 2016 no need more Greco, no need more ECG Net2. We do light about John Mahama. And no need more. But more than realize more Mujiji cannot John Mahama need more. But anytime corruption issues pops up, it is related or linked to John Mahama. Why? because one a Ghana for about the Yamano, and he is the only person to make appointment and terminate appointment. And if you look at the NPP, the senior administrator of the New Patriotic Party, lawyer Justin Kudia, the NPP conquer any empirical research. One, or any investigation to come out and say these are the reasons of Momuku position. Or must say, or Maka over a friend of Aaron Michael Quay. So the leader of the election review committee, they have to make sure they have to ask questions. People should bring out their opinion. They are trusting me on the email and ceremony at all. Among form no make to no movie. They should have a document and knows what puts them to position.
But I say committee, do you believe him? Say, but
it depends on them. They order them.
Because you have a answer what age, and I was also touch it 2 years.
Now me catch them was me say, go and check the NDC. The National Democratic Congress in 2016 was elections. Now they formed an election review committee. Umipano chairman, Kwasibochi. Kwasibochi was around 72 years at that time.
Yeah.
Kwasibochi told Ghana now. Every constituency be an so mukobiano where the lead matters they went there.
Oh, that's a armchair committee chairman. Because Professor Makukwe, what's that? I can swear in.
Thank you.
I was about 83 years.
What the hell? Even so, 80 years.
Why am I too much?
Sabra Sisi. Dana what parliament house are Oban. Nipa Mirun and Asu, but I don't want to attack his personality. One way, whether we like it or not, Nyankopama is 70 years. The next year's account extra time in the amount. But to get to 80 years, then just say Nyankopon is now none wonder Oba parliament house or Oban. Then Nipa Mirun and Asu from the neighbor. Atta. And one that be seeing team saying another damn Akufo Addo. The tintin treat no saying Nipa Bonini. You know why? If you look at election 2020, 2 years by 137, NPP MPs look straight into the eyes of another Danko Akufo Addo and tells them, Nana, wouldn't now confess our papa with the back. Says our papa is a speaker of parliament. We are going to vote against him. Meeting was saying,
yeah.
Already the Eddie Chairman Sabosu Suba Bonte catcher say the members of parliament, especially in relation for the NPP, they wanted to make a coup d'etat against already the yes. Abano, na papano, do you know why? One MPP for papano, one Emre. 2 million issues. And no confess any panel, they are going to vote against him. Akufo Addo on one open. And I'm pam from Abano. You know, MPP, well, if you look at parliament house, intellectuals and elite, let's say Ramaye, Emere to about. Eko electoral commission on the instrument in Naka, let's say Ramayu. But you got about parliament house, now yet mania spoil ballot too. It means there is a deliberate thing. A deliberate. So what first what they call baby. And what them know yarding. So if you look at the NPP, your official report to be a say these are the reasons of my NPP co-position.
But it seems like Ghanaians or NPP members, you don't call it.
Lasisi, Franco, NPP for not me invent problem. No problem, no more inventing. That they want to have solutions to it. And they meant that Munim said, no, that was a roadmap that led to the NPP to opposition. Also, you knew it. So, Sadia, of course, I'm one MPP and non friend to a friend. Now, make
because of Sabia as a robust stamp, dear Munim, and then more deep of some Makukwe, the balance of some Makukwino, and yet they are with Makubi.
Let's say, but the MPP, they don't need an armchair chairman. The man have to talk 276 constituencies. So much every constituency. They allow each person, card-bearing member of the NPP, to come out and register his or her displeasure. Tell them the reason why they went to opposition. The factors and how opposition and our constituency opposition might be different from this. He should not be a reporter speech saying, but
Franco, are you expecting, say, this committee, no make my babble, because my reason is saying, almost say, regional chairman. Almost in Yipi and Fambra. For instance, Chama won't to me in Asante region. The wire region. Women council says, Sapan woman, if they are working in Ukraine, sanity, a bogus and irrelevant. A sanity. And what is the essence of this kind of committee? Because other regional chairman at TV are bringing then what is the essence of this kind of committee? Someone give them a report never, ever. Now, 455-page document. And this is for now, they were able to identify their problem, gave solutions. If you look at 2016, close to 1 million votes. 2020, 500,000. It means, he said, the kind of problem that they went through, they were giving and offering solutions to their problems. So, rectify.
Rectify. amene unprecedented in the history of Ghana politics, almost 1.7 million votes on the BTMP.
Yo, it for winning and summer abeto yepuno so because say when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe sanse hadia latest and hot news enkwa enamede bravo afi we are na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofofro so na when you be here na wo hu and somewhere ekoso wo Ghana memo ha also betimi atchere wadwen afaye somewhere nyira ho wo comment box ni mu mobati menkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.